Hi there, now we're going to unbox this gourmet pizza pretend play toy. We bought one because my daughter loves to eat and pretend play pizza. So we got this for her. Let's start unboxing. Here's the fork and knife. Here is the soda with polka dots. Next is the milkshake. Here's the fries with ketchup. The ketchup is paper, but the fries is not loose. Here's the ice cream cone. Mint flavor. Nom nom nom. Here's the pizza. Here are the other flavors of the pizza. You can interchange it. Hawaiian, meat lovers, pepperoni. Here you can actually change the pizza flavor. Now you can start pretend play. Yay! Let's eat!